For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, this is Sitendra Soneji once again with the dreams coming true. See, do you want to make your dreams come true? Of course, everybody is interested in making their dreams come true. So, how to convert your dreams into reality? Right? So, where are you today? Just think. You want to convert your dreams into reality, right? So, what you have to think is where you are today. Have you ever written out goals? Did you think of short-term and long-term goals? Did you think of professional and personal goals? So, discover your purpose in life, your ultimate goal. Visualize what the end result will look like. Evaluate where you are at now in relation to your goals. Right? So, identify the talents, skills and knowledge needed to reach your goals. Determine the first logical, simple step towards your goal. Choose a starting date for the first step. Think about possible obstacles you are going to encounter while achieving your goals. Consider ways to overcome those obstacles. Establish measurable milestones down the path of your goals. Pick up rewards for milestones reached successfully. Determine exactly when you will accomplish your goal. A goal statement is an investment in yourself. It clearly identifies what you want, how you will get it, and when you will get it. Goal is the purpose towards which an endeavor is directed, an end, an objective. That is what you want to have in future. Goal setting is to set or adjust for proper functioning to where you want to end up, not where you are today. So whatever you can do or dream, you can begin it and achieve it. So you can convert your dreams into reality, right? So whatever you think or wish you dream to have in future, you have to write it down. Write it down on a piece of paper. So that becomes your goal. Then you have to make the plan of action to achieve that goal, right? Then you have to have the time and date, the time to start your goals and the time where you finish your goals. Obstacles will come in your way while accomplishing your goal, right? While you are on the way to achieve your goals, there are so many difficulties coming in your way. You have to overcome all the difficulties, all the challenges, all the obstacles and just move ahead to achieve your dream. So whatever you can do or dream, you can begin it and achieve for it. Dream big and achieve big. Thank you.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.